Good afternoon, students. How are you? So, we will start chapter 4, class 9th, part number 1. Name of the chapter is Linear Equation in two variable. Linear, easily you can understand, highest degree how much? 1 in two variable. Up to now you have read about what? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable, how can like this 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So here how many variable? Only x is variable here. 2 and 5 are constants. Understood? So now we will read, and you know also how can represent this on number line. So like this, if this equation given linear equation in one variable saying is equal to 0, so it's meaning 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Its meaning is what? Minus 2 into 1 by 2. Understood? This how can represent on number line? This is a number line, you know. In between this number line what? 0. On the right side it's 1, 2, 3. In the left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Understood? This number is where lying? Minus 2 complete, so minus 2 is this, and after this what? Half. So it's meaning lying between minus 2 and minus 3, divide into two equal parts. So this is the value of what? Minus 2 into 1 by 2, or equal to, you can say, minus 5 by 2, or you can say like this. Standard way of writing is this. So in this way you can say how many solution of a linear equation in one variable. There is a unique solution of linear equation in one variable. So as you know, your chapter name is linear equation in two variable. So two variable, I am telling linear equation of a two variable now, like this x plus y equal to 100. This is a linear equation in two variable. Which variable? X is variable, y is variable here. If x increase, y decrease. If x decrease, y increase. So this is saying linear equation in two variable. Another example you can say 2x plus 3y is equal to 35. In your book also given, and you also know this, linear equation of one variable like this 2x plus 5 equal to 0 is not affected when if same quantity is added in both sides. If same quantity is added or subtracted both sides of the equation. Another is what? You are multiplying by the same number or same integer both sides, then also this is not affected. If you can divide by the same numbers, then also this is not affected. So like this, in example also given in your book, in a one-day international cricket match, India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur. Two Indian batsmen together scored how much run? 167 run. 76. 176 run. So two batsmen, total score is 176. You don't know runs scored by any batsman. So how can you write the linear equation in two variable? How can you write the linear equation in two variable? I am telling the way of writing. So you can say like this, according to your assumption, let the run scored by first batsman. First batsman, how much? X. First batsman, how much? X. Let the run scored by second batsman is Y. Understood? So this become a linear equation also. Now what? According to the first condition. According to the condition, sorry. What saying? Both scored how much? 176 runs. This is a linear equation in how much variable? 2 variable. If you are saying how much runs scored by batsman A, first it's meaning 176 minus 5. So make a table also. I am telling what's the effect of it. Like this is X, this is Y. If Y scored 1, then how much runs scored by X? Sorry, first batsman. 176 minus 1, 175. If Y scored 100, then 76. If scored 150, then so this is also again like this, X is equal to 176 minus 150, X is equal to 26. So how much? 26. This is the way of forming a linear equation in 2 variable. Forming a linear equation in 2 variable. So example number first given, write each of the following equation in the form of. So as you know, what's the standard equation of a linear equation in 2 variable? This is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Understood? So first example given like this, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. So this we can write 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equal to 0. Compare with this. So what's the value of A equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 4.37. So easily you can find out. If any problem, discuss with me. Question number 2 given, example number 2 you can say, write each of the following as an equation in 2 variable. This given, x is equal to minus 5. So here is telling, what telling? How can you convert the linear equation in 1 variable into 2 variable? So how can you convert? I am telling, if I can write this x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 5. This is equation first, this is equation second. This is of how many variable? 1 variable. And this is of how much? 2 variable. And both are linear. So this is the way of converting the linear equation in 1 variable into 2 variable. This written y equal to 2. How can you convert this? You can write, you know, as if 0 multiply with anyone, it's become 0 plus y is equal to 2. This is of how much variable? 1 variable. And this is of what? 2 variable. Remaining you can solve. Now come on the point, come exercise. Which exercise? 4.1. Question number 1. We have to make a linear equation in 2 variable. It's given the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in 2 variable to represent this. statement. And hint also given, take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and that of pen is Y. But kept in your mind, the cost of the notebook is 2 times of the cost of pen. I am telling according to your book, let the price of what notebook, notebook is equal to rupees X. Let the price of pen is equal to rupees Y. Understood? Now, according to the question, what saying, the price of notebook, what's the price of notebook X is equal to the twice means 2 times of the price of pen. And what's the price of pen? Y. This you can write X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Understood? You can solve this by another way also. Write a linear equation in 2 variables to represent this statement. So this statement is represented by this linear equation in 2 variables. If price of book is this, notebook is this, and price of pen is this, and if you are taking like this, let the price of what notebook is Y and price of what book is pen is X, then how can you write this? You can tell me. Understood? Now question number 2, exercise 4.1, express the following linear equation in the form of, as given in your example. Standard form of a linear equation in 2 variable is this: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And first part's given, what's given, 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 and bar on 5. As you know, this is equal to 9.3555. Continue up to here, up to infinity. So compare with this x, what's the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to what, or this you can write like this, 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Look one time, this is your first, this is your second. Comparing first and second, we get what you get. Look one time, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. So easily you can solve this. Easily you can solve this. Now I am telling what type of second example, second part of it. Second part of question number 2, exercise 4.1, standard equation, linear equation in 2 variable is this. This is this. So what's given? X minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. So first convert this. What's your LCM? 5 is your LCM. 5x minus y minus 50 equal to 0. Understood? So 5 bring in this side. So it's become 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. Multiply with 5. So what is this? 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. This is your second. And this is your first. Again comparing first and second, we get what you get. A is equal to 5 B is equal to -1 and C is equal to -50. Understood? Third one given. Third I am telling. Third you can solve. Fourth I am telling. If any problem, discuss with me. 4.1 x is equal to 3y. This we can write x minus 3y is equal to what? 0. Understood? Or this you can write x minus 3y minus 0 is equal to what? 0. So compare with this ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is your first, this is your second. Comparing first and second, we get, compare with a value what? Nothing written, its meaning 1, a equal to x, b is equal to -3 and c is equal to 0. -0, 0, 0, 0. What may be it? So you can solve these remaining question also. And if any problem related to this, discuss with me. Solve exercise 4.1 in rough notebook. All question. Tomorrow we will read solution of a linear equation. Tomorrow we will discuss about what? Solution of a linear equation in two variable. We know linear equation of one variable, only one solution, unique solution. And how many solution of a linear equation in two variable? We can discuss about this start from tomorrow. So prepare till here. If any problem, discuss with me. Try to understand. Thank you.